What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video we have an Amazon tool review. But before we get this video started, let me remind you all that we are a bilingual and international channel, and we post 2 new videos each week, one in Spanish, one in English, and we post 1 tool review each month. With that being said, let's get to the video. I bought this tool to try to get some jobs faster and easier. Since sometimes power tools doesn't fit in every place, I thought this tool will be great for this job. This tool is impact rated and it's all made out of metal. So far it looks strong enough. It has these bits to fit different sockets. It has this 3/8 for 1/4 and a bit holder, and 3/8 by 1/2 inch. So far I am very impressed with this tool. I love the packaging and it looks it's gonna be handy. You could use this tool putting the bit socket on the front or in the back. You could put one on each side. This tool is driven by a chain on the inside, and it seems it does have some sprockets on the tips. That way it could transfer the torque from one side to another. This tool cost me only $26 plus shipping, but I did order some more parts and it was free shipping with a $35 purchase. What I don't like about this tool is that it has some play on each end, and also you could hear the chain inside of the tool dragging along. The tool looks great on the outside and it's strong enough, but I am not sure how is it gonna work or how long would it last. You could hear the chain inside rattling almost like a rattlesnake, and I am starting to get a bad feeling. This tool, it also has play going up and down on each end and side to side. Plus, you could hear the chain rattling and dragging on the inside. This tool comes with a very nice foam inserts to get all the bead holders in place and the tool. I am not sure if this tool it's a replica or a cheap knockoff or another major brand, or this is a great tool. This tool came in fast. A couple of days before I ordered, the tool was shipped to me, and the packaging was great. The tool was protected all the way around with bubble wrap, and it came in a bigger box than it has. So now it's time to put this tool to the test. I am replacing the alternator on my 04 Nissan Titan. And to remove the alternator, it's a freaking nightmare. You have to take apart the belt, the intake, the belt tensioner, and some hard to reach bolts. But let's see if this tool could do the job easier. Here I am trying to remove the bolts from the belt tensioner. And now I am gonna use my Milwaukee impact ratchet. As you can see here, in theory, this tool is easier to use, but in reality, it's not. It pops out of place, and I can take off just one single bolt. As you can see here, the Milwaukee ratchet, it's struggling real hard to take off a simple bolt. And now it's out of place again. I had tried this tool with a regular ratchet and the results were the same. It has a sloppy chain on the inside, and when you try to put some tension on the chain, you are most of the time fighting with the inside mechanism that doesn't deliver all the torque that you are applying to the tool. So in my opinion, this tool it's garbage. Don't ever buy this tool or one similar like this one. It's a waste of money. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.